Hi all, in this video I would like to share with you my Rebecca Minkoff handbag collection, and I only have two of this bag. The first one is morning after bag in mini size. I know that they have the regular size, but I see this bag is roomy enough and more suitable with my petite frame, so I prefer the mini size instead of the regular size. The other one is morning after clutch, and this is in regular size. I know that the most iconic one is in mini size, but I'm just afraid that the size is not really suitable and too small for my lifestyle, so I prefer the regular size. So I'm going to do some review to each of them and hope it's helpful for you who are considering to buy each of these bags. So check this out. So let's start with this first bag, morning after bag, MAB, and as I mentioned before, this is in mini size. It has a regular size, much bigger than this, but I prefer this bag because I found it roomy enough and suitable with my petite frame. Some basic features about this bag. First of all, it comes with some paper here, as you can see. Some care card, some cute name card here coming from Vincent. Maybe you can try to call this number. I don't know where to connect to. Yeah, another card. Sorry, it's upside down. And as you can see, it has a light gray color with silver hardware. In the zipper, touch, as you can see here, for the holder. It has a tassel in the head of the zipper, in the closure of the bag, as you can see here. Another tassel in the front pocket, which is remind me of the Balenciaga regular bag. It comes with the handles to be used as a shoulder bag, which I love because it's really convenient to use it over my shoulder. The length of the handles is suitable with my size. It also comes with this long strap to use it as a sling bag or a long shoulder bag. It's not adjustable, but it's okay because the length is long enough for me, not too short, not too long. What I really like about this bag, it has a simple design but also functional. For example, it has a front pocket here, which is very functional, as it fits all of my essential which needs quick access, like my cell phone, my Galaxy Tab, my tissue paper, my mint candies from here. Not to mention that as you can see, the lining is really cute. It has a pop-up color. It really creates my day every time I open this bag, and it's matching with the dust bag, so I really like the details of this bag. Yeah. And now let's see from the side of this bag. This is the thing that I also like about this bag. The hardware is so cool, as you can see here. And you can detach the long strap here and attach this hook to this hardware to make it as a shoulder bag rather than a sling bag. I'll show you after this. Another view from Another side is actually just the same. It has some stud here at the front, but also at the sides. View from the back. No pocket or anything. There is a D-ring here as well, just like at the front of the bag. And here, which I'm still questioning the functionality. And this is what I like. At the bottom of the bag, it has feet, so it provides extra protection for the leather at the bottom of the bag. About the hardware, what I understand is that in the older version, the feet here is actually has a Rebecca Minkoff printed engraved in this feet. Also engraved in this studs here and other part of the hardware, which is I don't see it in the new version of this bag. Just plain, as you can see here. Let's see inside of the bag. It's a slouchy bag, so I put some paper inside to maintain the structure of the bag. And this is what I really love about this bag: the combination of the leather and the lining inside. Purple color has a polka dot print all over the interior of the bag. It's roomy, fit all the essentials. It has zipper pocket here. Inside the pocket, it has the same lining. It also has two compartments for your cell phone on the other side of the bag. The lining has a Rebecca Minkoff name. And this is the thing. It's made in China, so that's explain the difference between the new version and the older version. That the older version is made in USA, so the detail is not as good as the older version. That's what I heard, but it's okay. For you to have a better idea on how roomy the bag is, let's go inside my bag. And I fill the bag with my working essentials because normally I use it for working days. And as you can see here, let's start with the front pocket. I have my cell phone here, my access card to go to my office, tissue paper, basically those things that I need it frequently and I need quick access to get my essential quickly. This is what I like about this bag, the front pocket, which is roomy for all working essentials. And now let's see the inside of the main compartment. Basically my working regulars, my long wallet, my pouch, some pouch consists of many things inside, my name card, power cable, earphone plug, toiletries for this pouch, cosmetic case inside this Prada pouch, pen and pencil case in this pouch. In the zipper pocket I put my glasses with the soft case here for extra protection. And on the other side of the bag, in the two compartments here, two small compartment here, it is my office cell phone. I don't use it frequently compared to my personal cell phone, so I put it inside. And then my mint candies over here. So basically this bag is quite roomy As you can see here, it still left tons of room here, so you can put more other stuff like your books, your agenda, and other things. I'll do some modeling using this morning after bag. First, as a sling bag. As a shoulder bag using the short handle.
How each memory softly burns, facing you who brings me new tomorrows. I thank God for yesterday.
Using the long strap as a shoulder bag.
Led me to this very hour. How they led me to this place. Every time.
Or just use it in the crook of your arm like this.
You have given me in care. Keep in heart. Always I'll now be true.
Or if you don't like using the long strap, you can just take it off just like this.
Do I hold each moment true? No trace of sadness.
And you attach the hardware here to the D-ring at the bottom of the bag. The same with the other side. You can see here. So it's now become a totally new look, as you can see here, like the hardware here.
Speaks of now and ever, beckons me to someone new, unexpected, unexplored, unseen.
So in summary, what I like about this bag is that it's roomy. It's a roomy bag, and it fits all your essentials, not only during your working days but also during weekend. In terms of design, it's also suitable for any occasion, for working, for a weekend as well. And it's simple but also cute with the lining here, but safe enough for someone with a conservative style like myself. The price is affordable compared to other branded bags, and the leather is not disappointing considering the price. Of course, it's not comparable to other branded bags like Bottega Veneta or Balenciaga, but the quality is really not disappointing. Some minus about this bag is that the hardware here is quite heavy. Overall, it's not that heavy, but I just wish that it's lighter than it is. The other thing is that this new version of the bag is made in China, which is okay. It's just that when I compare this with the older version, which is made in USA, the older version is much better than this bag, especially the details. But again, that's fine. I just wish that I have the older version of the bag. My other concern is actually about this D-ring. I wish I know the point of having this D-ring, because if it is originally meant to be the attachable point with the long strap, it really doesn't work, as you can see here. But I know that the older version of this bag, the head of the long strap has this feature, this hook feature, as you can see here. So it enables the long strap to be attached at this D-ring over here, or at the bottom of the D-ring over here. but with this new version I'm not really sure. I just hope that this is not something about misdesign, because if it is, then it's really unfortunate. The second item is morning after clutch, and this is in regular size. Isn't it cute? Actually they have the smaller size of this bag, but it just doesn't really work for me. It's just too small, and the regular size is more suitable with my lifestyle. I like to bring a lot of stuff inside. So some basic features about this bag: it comes with some paper notes, just like morning after bag, and this bag comes with a dark brown leather color. Not really sure about the leather. Is it a real leather or imitation? Again, this is not comparable with Bottega Veneta or Balenciaga leather, but it's still looking good considering the. It also comes with the silver hardware here, which is, I like it so much. As you can see, it has a RM printed at the hardware in the front pocket, as you can see. Yeah. Also for the handles is combination between silver hardware and leather with some studs in here, which is very cool. The hardware in the strap, it can be double up, just in case you want to use it more as a shoulder bag rather than sling bag. It's pretty long though, so again, if you want to use it as a shoulder bag, you can double it up. I'll show you after this. It also comes with a tassel in the zipper at the front pocket, as well as at the main closure here, as you can see. Normally I don't lock this hook at the front, because it's quite put some effort to really open it. So normally I just let it open like this. I'll show you how to open it. So it's quite difficult to open it. So normally I just put it open like this. And the thing that I really like, just like a morning after bag, it comes with a cute lining, very pop-up print and color. As you can see, the lining inside the front pocket is really match the dust bag, which is very cute, very edgy. I like it very much. And as you can see, it has the same design with the morning after bag, which is very unique of Rebecca Minkoff handbag style. And again, just like MAB, this is very functional for me to provide a quick access for all of my essentials, like my cell phone, my tissue paper, and other small stuff here. Let's see other side of the bag. From the side, nothing specific here, just the hook, which is attachable to these rings. From the back, from the other side. At the bottom, this is what I like. It has a 5 feet here, so it provides extra protection, so your bottom of the bag won't scratch easily. You can see the lining of the bag, so cool. It also has a zipper pocket in this side, another smaller pocket at the front. On the other side, at the front side, It also has 2 compartments for your cell phone here. So it's quite roomy. It's not a big bag, but actually it's really functional. The compartment really adds the value of using it back as a functional bag. I put some essentials inside. Normally I use it more for weekends. So I put aside my office things like my access card, my pencil case, 2 pouches here, and only fill this bag with essentials during my weekends. So in the main compartment, as you can see, basically the same stuff that I put inside my morning after bag. My long wallet, my sunglasses this time, cosmetic case, mint candies in here, and I still bring my office cell phone just in case, especially during busy week. And at the front pocket, my other cell phone and tissue paper. So it fits all of my essential, not too big, not too small, it's just the right size. I just close it, and as you can see, it doesn't look bulky at all with all my essentials stuff inside. Some modeling of the bag, using it as a sling bag. Again, I normally let it open like this for easy access to the front pocket. This is how it looks. As a shoulder bag using the long strap, for me it's a bit too long. Considering my petite frame, I'm 5.1. Wearing it as a shoulder bag using this long strap is just too long for me. So what I normally do is double up the chain strap by first detaching this first, as you can see, and then put the head of the strap inside the D-ring here and attach this to this D-ring. It's now become shorter now and more suitable with my D-frame.
And if life should come to just one question, do I hold each moment true? No trace of sadness.
Or you can even make it shorter by also doing the same with other side, as you can see.
Now a song that speaks of now and ever beckons me to someone new, unexpected.
Another way to use it is really make it like a clutch by detaching all the strap here. So without the long strap, it's now a clutch, as you can see here.
Has me feeling wondrous strange. And if life should come to just one question, do I face each moment true? No trace of sadness.
So in summary, I love this bag. I love it even more after doing a review of this bag. I like the vintage look of the bag, the tassel, the silver hardware, and also the dark brown color of the bag. I also like the combination between the dark brown color of the leather with the lining, which is black and white. I also like the fact that the long strap is detachable, so you can wear the bag in many different ways. I also like the fact that as a clutch, it's actually roomy and it fits all of my essentials. My only concern is that it's quite heavy. Not that heavy, but it's quite heavy, and I wish it is lighter. The hardware here add more weight to the bag, but actually it's still manageable. If you find it too heavy for you, you just can take it off from the bag and use it as a clutch, as the one that I shown you during the modeling shot. So that's all about my Rebecca Minkoff handbag collection. MAB morning after bag in mini size, MAC morning after clutch in regular size. Hope it's helpful, and if you have any questions, please do let me know and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. My only concern is that it's quite heavy. Not that heavy, but it's quite heavy, and I wish it is lighter. The hardware here add more weight to the bag, but actually it's still manageable. If you find it too heavy for you, you just can take it off from the bag and use it as a clutch, as the one that I shown you during the modeling shot. So that's all about my Rebecca Minkoff handbag collection. MAB morning after bag in mini size, MAC morning after clutch in regular size. Hope it's helpful, and if you have any questions, please do let me know and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.